Connected watches or wearables provide many of the functions of your phone even if you don't have your phone with you. If you're having trouble with your eyesight though, one issue you may encounter is reading the small screen of a watch, but you can adjust the size of the text on the screen to make it easier to read, and that's what we'll show you how to do in this video. To adjust the text size, press the button on the side of your watch to access the menu. Then find the settings icon and tap on it. Now select the display options. Then you'll see a number of options including font size. Tap on that to access its options. And now you can choose between small, normal and large font size. You can then change it to large or any one that you like. And now when you use the menus, you will see the size of the font is larger, making it easier to read. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.